Hello, this is Thomas, Maxvan sales consultant. With our extensive manufacturing experience, we saw an opportunity to redefine the Class B market, and we came up with the Route, a versatile RV for weekend warriors and adventurers of all types. Let's take a look. We've chosen to run with the Ram ProMaster chassis. It has a long record of reliability and ease of maintenance. As you may have noticed, our ProMaster looks a little bit different. We have an 8-inch bump out, which greatly enhances the interior space. We achieved this with a steel frame structural modification welded to the original frame with an outer fiberglass shell. The advantages of building this way are a greatly enhanced interior space, larger and more comfortable than a standard B-Class. Additionally, while the wall is off, we have great access for running electrical and plumbing lines. Let's step inside and check out the Route's interior features. As soon as you enter the side door, you're face to face with our kitchenette, which features an induction cooktop, an Italian yacht sink, a microwave, 12-volt refrigerator, and a deep double storage drawer. All the construction is steel, made in-house and welded to the frame. With the sink top closed and the induction unit off, we've designed ample counter space for meal prep and any other needed uses. Here in the kitchen, we've also installed a steel tab system where you can hang items where you want quick access to. Up high, you'll find storage solutions wrapping nearly the entirety of the whole van. And just like we found in the kitchen, all of our cabinetry is made of steel and is welded directly to the frame. For conversational purposes, the passenger seat swivels 180 degrees to face the main cabin. As we push back into the main cabin, we'll find our two custom twin beds with full 10-inch foam mattresses. This area is comfortable for seating, relaxing, or sleeping. Our bump out construction has provided us with a full 24-inch aisle, which makes movement with multiple passengers much easier. For convenience, we've added this multi-purpose table and quick access to a 110 power outlet and a USB. The table comes apart easily and for added versatility can also be placed next to the swiveling passenger seat. For privacy and convenience, all the windows in the main cabin come with a daytime shade and a nighttime full privacy shade. And for the glass in the cab, there's a full privacy blackout insert. And thanks to the all-steel construction, we can attach magnetized accessories just about anywhere in the vehicle. Another great option is the safe, which can be used to secure your valuables while traveling. The passenger bed comes with a motorized lift, which allows access to more storage and provides a much wider aisle for bringing in large items or just having more room during travel. In the rear of the vehicle, you'll find our combined wet bath area and fully customizable closet space. The wet bath area comes with a 3-position curtain, which can be used to hide the toilet, fully wrap around someone showering, or be stowed comfortably to the side. Our cassette toilet comes with a 5-gallon black tank. The shower can be used with a city water hookup for a longer shower, or in a pinch, can use the onboard freshwater tank utilizing the pump. With this quarter-turn ball valve, when hooked up to a city water supply, the up position will fill your onboard 24-gallon freshwater tank. Directly across from our wet bath, we have our X-Track Flex storage system, which is fully customizable. Up high, you'll find a metal hanging rack for clothes. This modular system is fully customizable and will accommodate just about anything imaginable. We have great options like a desk, storage baskets, a shoe rack, a bike rack, and a wide variety of hooks, tie-downs, and other baskets. And with this 12-volt connection here in the closet area, many other devices could be used, such as this electric cooler for added storage. A standard feature in the Route closet section is a washer-dryer connection. This space will accommodate a stackable unit, a combo, or a miniature version such as we've come up with here. Let's talk about the Route's electrical system. It's a 30-amp service RV, and plugged into shore power, you can run all of your appliances, including AC, microwave, refrigerator, everything. When boondocking, or when shore power is otherwise not available, you can use the onboard 12-volt system to conveniently run all your ancillary equipment, such as fans, lights, phone and tablet charging, and even the television. If more power is needed, you can easily turn on the onboard generator with one switch inside the RV that will easily run the AC or the microwave and all of the other equipment aboard. For the convenience of storage, we've installed a battery cutoff switch, which allows you to turn off the 12-volt system in the main cabin, eliminating any fear of battery drainage while you're away from the vehicle. Driving the route is very smooth and non-intimidating. It drives like a large minivan. There's many onboard safety features to make it easy, like an extended mirror and multiple onboard cameras. The route conveniently fits in virtually all parking spaces, and backing up is a breeze with the onboard camera systems. We also include multiple amenities such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, heated seats, and multiple touch controls on the steering wheel. Our rear view camera system offers a very wide angle and allows, with the touch of the screen, to pan up and down or side to side to add backup guides. It also has the ability to add an SD card for recording potential incidents, and changing the settings is as easy as one tap. We also have the ProMaster standard backup camera, which integrates into the infotainment screen. Because we manufacture the vehicles here in our Tucker, Georgia plant, we're able to control all the quality inputs. There's virtually no wood in the vehicle. We utilize 3M insulation throughout. This allows us to create a very durable and long-lasting product. Another unique design feature of our bump out is the ability to incorporate a cargo door with pass-through storage with ample space for hoses, cables, and many other accessories, and a second cargo door for access to the cassette toilet. Both doors open with one key. And right below the cargo doors, you'll find the gray tank drain. Additional exterior options include a roof rack, an awning, and a full-size spare tire. When it comes time to hook up, our unique design has made it simple, easy, and quick. All the hookups are in one panel right here on the back. Shore power, coax cable, water, in addition to a 110 power outlet just for convenience. One thing that sets us apart here at Maxvan, we provide you everything needed to drive straight from delivery to your campsite. Water pressure regulator, surge protector, gray and fresh water hoses. Also, we provide tank treatment chemicals and RV grade toilet paper. Thank you for joining us today to tour the Route, a unique Class B camper van made with steel construction for years of durability and enjoyment on the open road for weekend warriors and adventurers of all types. For more information, visit us at maxvan.com or contact us with the information below.